Now time for our ETF Spotlight, taking a look at the Spider S&P Retail ETF, ticker XRT. It's up more than 3% so far this week after Friday's sell-off. Currently trading up 1.4%. Some names that aren't participating: Adidas, not in the global rally. It's down about 0.5%. The company says it is closing a considerable number of its shops in China due to the coronavirus. Meantime, Nike out late last night saying it expects the coronavirus situation to have a material impact on its operations in Greater China in the short term, and that approximately half of Nike's own stores have been temporarily closed in China. Stock down 1.4%. We're going to talk about that and a lot more later. Nike's brand new CEO, John Donahoe, joining us on Closing Bell this afternoon, 4 p.m. Eastern. Coronavirus, an innovation event that Nike's holding around the Olympics, guys. And I would just also throw in Macy's to the mix, because some significant announcement there in terms of store closures and leaving Cincinnati as the headquarters, also having to lay off about 2,000 in corporate staff.
Continue to open smaller store formats, though. Not a lot of them, but some.
Yeah, that's kind of away from the mall and away from the department store. Interesting share price reaction there on Macy's, because I was going back and forth with Jan Niffen, who follows retail, and he says this is great news because they're going to stabilize their cash flow. They're preserving the dividend, which is very high, and they're cutting a significant amount of costs. On the flip side, doesn't look like department stores are coming back anytime soon, and the pain continues, and they're going to try to right-size their business accordingly.
Gannett, talking to the Journal yesterday, said that there remains a place to go shop where there are multiple brands.
They're going to have to convince people of that, customers and investors. I think that's going to be the key.
You don't believe it?
I mean, if you look at the traffic and the numbers, they haven't been good. And if you pull the wholesale numbers out of a company like Nike or Ralph Lauren yesterday, it's in decline. It's all about direct-to-consumer right now,
right,
and online. And these guys just haven't fully figured it out yet.
You have any expectations for Donahoe at Nike in terms of how he moves the company in a different direction in some way, or pivots a little bit off of the leadership from Mark Parker?
So the key difference is his background. He, of course, was CEO of eBay, as you know, CEO of ServiceNow. He comes from a digital background. Mark Parker was a designer at Nike and had been there for a very long time. So I mean, the key question is, how is he going to accelerate the already very fast growth that Nike has seen digitally on the sneakers app, and what sort of changes is he going to make there? The other thing I would point out is Parker's staying on as executive chairman, so it's really a 1-2 team there.
How is he on for?
He's on for a while.
He is,
yeah, I mean,
okay.
he's not retiring. No. So maybe not so much changes, especially for a company that's really on top of its game right now when it comes to sales. Yeah. But I'll ask.
Good. I look forward to listening.